On out there with y'all. Yo, we coming at y'all with 3 exercises for a finisher. A real good burn after end of a workout. 3 exercises, 3 rounds, man. 40 seconds of work, 20 seconds of rest. This right here is just to tax the body after you just had a hard workout, a hard shoulder day, right? Say you're doing shoulders, and this right here is to help you maximize that effort at the end of that workout, y'all. So the first exercise we're gonna have, right? We're gonna have regular Arnold presses. Regular Arnold presses, 40 seconds of work. Right? From there, we're going to go crawl out, alternate toe touch. Boom, boom, crawl back up. 40 seconds now. 40 seconds. Remember, we're going to tax it. Huh? And then from there, we're going to add some core in there. There, we're going to go here, and we got regular reverse crunch toe tap. Huh? Got to get up to them toes, though. Get up to them toes. All right? So, we got 3 rounds. Let's get ready to lock in 10 seconds. So get ready. Get your dumbbells together. We got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 40 seconds. This at the end of a workout. This is going to be a great finisher. A good burn. Yeah. Pace yourself through it. You should feel it because you should have had a great workout already. You should have worked them shoulders. 20 seconds. Ten seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. All right, now you got 20 seconds of a break in between. Next, we're going to crawl out, alternative toe touches, all right? So get yourself ready. 10 seconds. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Get that crawl out. Hold. You know, working that core at the same time. Get back up. Tax them shoulders. Come on. Let's go. Move through it. This for any level. Beginners. You just take your time. Pick your numbers. Change the clock on what you want it to be on. 20 seconds, but just push yourself. Good. Come on. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're on the floor. Remember, got reverse crunches, right? But we're touching them toes. So get up to them toes. Feel that burn in that core, right? We got 5 seconds coming up. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Get up there. Work through it. It's gonna burn. It's tight. Keep pushing. 20 seconds. Feel that burn. Feel it, y'all. Yeah. 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. I just knocked that out, right? You got 3 more rounds. Let's go.